how to increase the font size of your Facebook post. Okay, let's dive into it. Now, if we want to increase the font size of Facebook post, it's very, very simple, and I'm going to show you how to do this, both increasing the font size and so making it bold. So we go through here the things. If you're on an iPhone or you are on iPhone or Android, whichever, it will take you through with settings here. When we go to settings, we go to display. Okay, we're going to display and brightness. When we click on this brightness, we come here, we look what we call the text size. Okay, the text size you're able to increase by this arrow, the A up to A. So you increase the text size. From here, this is the normal give us, or you can easily move it to another next size. Okay, should you want also to bold, you come here and click on bold. You see, you click, when you turn on bold text, everything will be bolded. Okay, so can we look at how best this has changed in bold and text? Okay, we could go to a Facebook page and look at how it has been impacted. Look at everything. You see, everything is bolded. Okay, you see how it is bolded? Everything is bold. Should we remove the bold? If we come here and say take out the bold and then also come back here, you see how it has changed. But again, you see how the text size has also changed. Thank you.